Welcome to the Volkswagen family. Your vehicle is packed with exciting features that help make it convenient and fun to drive. Let's unpack the details. Your new Volkswagen comes with our Carefree Coverage package, which includes scheduled Carefree maintenance, 24/7 roadside assistance, and a new vehicle limited warranty. And if you drive an electric vehicle, a high-voltage battery limited warranty, giving you peace of mind for the road ahead. You also get a bundle of connected vehicle service plans enabled through myVW Plus, including the Safe and Secure plan, providing access to services such as emergency assistance and automatic crash notifications for help when you need it, and the Remote Access plan, allowing you to use the myVW app for things like remote start and lock-unlock commands if equipped, last parked location, and remote battery charging and climate control for EVs. Your new Volkswagen also includes the VW Vehicle Insights plan, giving you access to features like vehicle health reports, maintenance alerts, and for EVs, high-voltage battery care and charging status, right in the myVW app. Depending on your model, your vehicle may also include premium speech, which enhances your vehicle's voice control functionality with online capabilities, and premium navigation, which gives you access to traffic information, real-time route updates, and more, right from your infotainment system. To enroll in your included plans, as well as other available paid plans, download the myVW app today by visiting the App Store or scanning the QR code on your screen. To enjoy these connected vehicle services plans, you'll need to accept the myVW Plus terms of service during myVW sign-up. Depending on your vehicle's model year, your new Volkswagen EV may also include an Electrify America charging plan to help keep you charged and on the road. To learn more, visit electrifyamerica.com/VW or scan the QR code on your screen. And keep an eye on your inbox for your personalized newsletter, VW Go. You can also find more information about your vehicle, including video tutorials and access to your online owner's manual by visiting vw.com/tutorials or scanning the QR code. Congratulations on your Volkswagen. See you on the road.